Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain trigonometry problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. Find the value of sine to the power 4 theta plus 2 sine square theta into 1 minus 1 by cosecant square theta plus cos to the power 4 theta. Okay, write sine to the power 4 theta plus 2 sine square theta 1 minus 1 by cosecant square theta is nothing but sine square theta plus cos to the power 4 theta. Okay, this sine to the power 4 theta can written as sine square theta whole square plus 2 sine square theta into, we have 1 minus sine square theta formula cos square theta. This written as cos square theta whole square. This is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, the formula is a plus b whole square, where a place in sine square theta and b place in cos square theta. Right. Therefore a plus b, where a place in right sine square theta, a square plus 2ab plus b square, sine square theta plus cos square theta whole square. Now we get sine square theta plus cos square theta value 1 square is equal to 1. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Find the value of cot pi by 20, cot 3 pi by 20, cot 5 pi by 20, cot 7 pi by 20, cot 9 pi by 20 into cot 15 pi by 20. Okay, we have one formula, cot A cot B value 1 if A plus B equal to 90 or 270. If A plus B 90 or 270, then cot A into cot B equal to 1. Okay, right. So let us observe in this given statement pi by 20 and 9 pi by 20. First write cot pi by 20 into cot 9 pi by 20. Okay, next pi by 20 plus 9 pi by 20 is pi by 2. Okay, pi by 20 plus 9 pi by 20, 10 pi by 20 is nothing but pi by 2. Okay, next we should write cot 3 pi by 20 and cot 7 pi by 20. Cot 3 pi by 20 into cot 7 pi by 20. This is 5 1j, 5 4j cancel. Okay, this is cot pi by 4. This is 5 4j, 5 3j, cot 3 pi by 4, that is cot 3 pi by 4. So this value will be 1. Okay, pi by 20 plus 9 pi by 20 is pi by 2. The condition is satisfied. This value 1. 3 pi by 20 plus 7 pi by 20, this value also 90. This value will be 1. So cot 45 value 1. Cot 3 pi by 4. Okay, 3 pi by 4, 3 into 180 by 4. Okay, this value will be 135. So cot 135 equal to cot 90 plus 45. We have cot 90 plus theta minus tan theta. Okay, minus tan 45. This is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 correct answer. Let us go to the next problem. X, Y, Z mu values are given. Then we have to find x square plus y square plus z square plus mu square. Okay. So our target is x square plus y square plus z square plus mu square. Okay. Write x value r cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma whole square. Y value given r cos beta, cos alpha, cos beta, sin gamma whole square, z square. So z also given r sin alpha, cos beta whole square plus mu square means r sin beta whole square. Okay, in this one r square take out common, r square. Okay, this value cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma, plus this value cos square alpha, cos square beta, sin square gamma. Okay, next sin square alpha, cos square beta, sin square beta. Okay, r square into, in first two terms, one cos square alpha, cos square beta take out common, cos square alpha, cos square beta. Okay, cos square alpha, cos square beta take out common, remaining cos square gamma plus sin square gamma value 1. Okay, next term write as it is. This is sin square alpha, cos square beta plus sin square beta, r square into. Okay, so let us observe in first two terms. From first two terms, one cos square beta take out common. Okay, cos square beta. In this, after common, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha value 1, plus remaining value sin square beta. So r square into, now we have cos square beta plus sin square beta value 1, this is r square. So answer is r square. Third option correct. Let us go to the next problem. A secant theta plus b tan theta value given, C. Then we have to find a tan theta plus b secant theta whole square. Okay. So what is given? A secant theta plus b tan theta equal to C. Okay, let us take, this is equation 1. Our target is a tan theta plus b secant theta whole square. So let us take a tan theta plus b secant theta equal to x. Okay, from these
powering off.
From these two equations, by eliminate theta. Okay, now let us do equation 1 whole square minus equation 2 whole square. Okay, equation 1 squaring on both sides, a square. So by using a plus b whole square formula, a plus b whole square, a square secant square theta plus b square tan square theta plus 2ab form. 2ab means 2ab secant theta tan theta equal to c square. Okay, so from second equation, squaring on both sides, a square tan square theta plus b square secant square theta plus 2ab secant theta into tan theta equal to x square. Okay, let us do subtraction these two equations. So 2ab terms get cancelled. Okay, in this one a square take out common, secant square theta minus tan square theta value 1. Okay, one b square take out common, tan square theta minus secant square theta, tan square theta minus secant square theta minus 1 equal to c square minus x square. But our target is a tan theta plus b secant theta whole square. This is nothing but x square, our target. Minus x square brings left side, x square is equal to, so plus a square minus b square brings the right side, c square minus a square plus b square. So this is the correct answer. So second option correct. Minus a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, moving on, next question. Sin alpha plus cosecant alpha whole square plus cos alpha plus secant alpha whole square equal to k plus tan square alpha plus cot square alpha. Then we have to find k value. Okay, so by using a plus b whole square formula, a square sin square alpha plus b square cosecant square alpha plus 2ab term, 2ab, 2 sin alpha into cosecant alpha. Okay, cos alpha plus secant alpha whole square. Okay, same we should applying a plus b whole square formula. Cos square alpha plus secant square alpha plus 2ab, 2 cos alpha secant alpha. This will be k plus tan square alpha plus cot square alpha. Okay. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha value 1. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha place in right 1 plus cosecant square alpha we have 1 plus cot square alpha formula. 1 plus cot square alpha. Secant square alpha, this formula is 1 plus tan square alpha. Okay, sin alpha, cosecant alpha get cancelled. Both are reciprocals. Plus 2. Cos alpha, secant alpha also get cancelled. So plus 2 reciprocal. These two are equal to k plus tan square alpha plus cot square alpha. Both side tan square alpha as well as cot square alpha cancel. Okay. 1 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 is equal to k. So k is equal to 7. Okay. Look at the next question. Find the value of cos square 125 minus x plus cos square 55 plus x. Okay. We have one formula, cos square b minus cos square a. This formula is sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Okay. This is the first formula. Second formula, sin square a minus sin square b equal to same sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Okay. Next, cos square a minus sin square b. This formula is cos a plus b into cos a minus b. Okay. Next formula, this is cos square a minus sin square b. Next, cos square b minus sin square a also same formula. Cos square b minus sin square a formula, cos a plus b into cos a minus b. Okay. These four formula important. Okay. In this problem, by using first formula, okay, cos square b minus cos square a formula, sin a plus b into sin a minus b. In this b value, b place in 125 minus x, write a place in 55 plus x. Therefore, cos square 125 minus x minus cos square 55 plus x, this is required. Okay. So let us take 125 minus x is b, 55 plus x is a. So what is the formula? Cos sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Okay, sin of where a plus b, a value 55 plus x, b value 125 minus x. So a plus b value, a is equal to 55 plus x, b value 125 minus x, a plus b is equal to 180. Okay, this is 180 into sin of a minus b value. So a value of 55 plus x. Okay, this is minus 70 plus 2x. Okay, 2x minus 70. But sin 180 value is 0. So 0 into anything is 0. Since sin 180 equal to 0. So sin 180 means sin 90 plus 90. So this can be written as sin 90 plus theta formula cos 90. Okay. So cos 90, this value will be 0. So sin 90 value is 0. So 0 into anything is 0. So answer is 0. Okay, now explain question number 9. Sin alpha plus beta value given, sin alpha minus beta value given, then we have to find this value. Okay, so what is given? Sin alpha plus beta equal to 1. So 1 write sin 90. Okay, therefore alpha plus beta equal to 90. So next equation, what is given? Sin alpha minus beta value 1 by 2. Sin alpha minus beta equal to 1 by 2. Therefore sin alpha minus beta equal to 1 by 2 can be written as sin 30. Therefore, alpha minus beta equal to 30 degrees. So, alpha plus beta 90, alpha minus beta 30. By elimination method, first we have to find alpha beta values. So, let us do adding. 2 alpha equal to 120, therefore alpha equal to 60 degrees. Okay. So, alpha value 60, substitute in any equation. So, alpha minus beta is equal to 30. So, alpha value 60 minus beta is equal to 30. So, beta is equal to 60 minus 30, 30 degrees. Okay. We have alpha and beta values 60 and 30. Okay. What is required? Tan alpha plus 2 beta into tan 2 alpha plus beta. Okay. So, tan of, right, alpha value. What is alpha value? 60 plus 2 beta. 2 into 30. 2 into 30, 60. Tan 2 alpha. 2 into 60, 120. Plus beta value 30. Okay. So, this is tan 120 into this is tan 150. Tan 120 plus tan 150. Okay. We got it, tan 120 into tan 150. So, tan 120, this can be written as 180 minus 60. So, tan 150, right, 180 minus 30. Okay. So, tan 180 minus theta is tan 60 minus tan 60. Because this is second quadrant. Tan 180 minus 30, this is also minus tan 30. So, minus into minus plus. So, tan 60 value root 3. Tan 30 value 1 by root 3. So, answer is 1. Look at the next question. Cos A, sin A, cot A are in GP. So, GP means geometric progression. Then find out tan power 6A minus tan square A. Okay. So, what is given? Cos A, sin A, cot A. Cos A, sin A, cot A are in geometric progression. Okay. So, what is the geometric progression rule? If common ratio of any two consecutive terms are equal. So, sin A by cos A. Okay. T1, T2, T3 are in GP. Then T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2. Okay. We should applying that rule. Sin A by cos A equal to cot A by sin A. Okay, let us do cross product. Sin square A. Sin square A is equal to cot A into cos A. Okay, this will be sin square A equal to, okay, cot A, we have formula cos A by sin A into cos A. Okay, let us do cross product. Sin cube A is equal to cos square A. Okay, our target is tan power 6A minus tan square A. Okay, divide cos cube A on both sides. Now we get sin cube A by cos cube A is equal to cos square A by cos cube A. Okay, so sin cube A by cos cube A, this will be tan cube A is equal to 1 cos square A get cancelled, remaining 1 by cos A, right, secant A. Okay, tan cube A value, we got it secant A. Okay, we got it tan cube A is equal to secant A. But what is our target? Tan power 6A minus tan square A. So what is required? Tan power 6A minus tan square A. This tan power 6A can be written as tan cube A whole square minus tan square A. Okay. But tan cube A, we have secant A. So secant A whole square. This is tan A whole square. Okay, secant square A minus tan square A value, this will be 1. So option 3 correct. Okay, thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next class.